You see here, I did ask a very simple prompt just to remove the image generation when we create manually a meal. I don't want that anymore. So what I asked in my prompt is to remove completely the image generation file and to clean up the create meal manual from the image generation. So just to remove all references, everything that can be linked to the image generation, and also cleaning up the logic in there. Normally, I would have done that by myself, as a software engineer, but with AI, we just have to review it, and we also decrease the chance of having a new bug, because usually when we do it by ourselves, okay, it's done correctly, but we never know. Sometimes we introduce a new bug, we forget to remove one state or whatsoever. Here, I just have to code review, and that's all. I also want Copilot to make sure that the code is completely clean and still working afterwards. So that's what it did. And here it asked me if I was okay to run this one, the RM command, RM for remove. It stands for remove. It's a very famous bash program that removes a file name, a file system. And here it does remove the image generation.ts. And I said, yes, let's do it. So, and now I just continue iterating with Copilot, and we are nearly there. Very exciting. So, yes. So I think that should be all now. Shouldn't be too slow, because like the task is quite simple still. It's only in one file. Copilot doesn't have to go browsing all of the different files. It's only happening in create meal manual. That's it. So yes, and now it asks me again to check. But I know it doesn't, because I already checked by myself, but yeah, it will also do that for you, checking if there's no image generation. Like, this is all of the cleanup Copilot does. It's always nice to have some cleanups, So yes, and in the meantime, I will already start writing my other prompt. Is when searching a meal on the meal list home component, I instead of clicking on the here I will say keep. Yes, I think I will review it later. Home search, the search icon. I'll check in page layout. Yes. Where is the search? Search. Where are you? Oh yeah, search SVG. Yeah. Search VG icon, and it's actually very simple. It's a magnifying glass. So if you look here, oh no, that's not my app, but yeah, it's just a magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. All right, so search icon. Can you just show the same way the search bar when scrolling up, extra up, scrolling, that's better UI, to show the search bar, and then to hide it. So we need to do the same, but opposite. So scrolling down, continue, and then it would hide the search bar. If this makes sense, please ask me if. Perfect. So if needed. All right. It's nice also sometimes to ask feedback to AI. That's also a good practice to do. All right. So let's see where we are. So it removed the image generation. Yes. And then generation and saves image. That's okay. The state, that's fine. And here I don't need that anymore. So this was in create manual image. It should be fine. That part was to generate an image, isn't it? Yes. All of this was for generating an image. I don't need that anymore. So that's fine. It's a good cleanup. Oh yeah, I don't want the navigator actually. It's to change the dependencies. but I will update a little bit by myself. I think navigation here it's pointless to have it. So goodbye. I will go to meal snap, food tracker, remove meal image generation when creating manually a meal. Perfect. That's fine. And so we remove all of the logic. Also, when we add a meal, yes, cloud image URL, yeah, that's optional. I'll remove to the navigation too. That's fine. Yeah, I like it. So I will push that. Just need to search for the. Oops. All right, here we are. I found again the correct one. There, this is optional. Yeah, that's fine. So that's done. And now, what do we have for page layout? It creates more or less the same. It tries to create the same. I just remove the navigation. I mean, although of course it's not important, but I think it's a nice optimization. We don't need navigation to be in there. It adds complexity for no reason. Here, you see, we just clean up the page. Update last call. Yes. Let's see. So it removes the search because we only, it removes the search, but how actually, that's only the button, isn't it? Yes. So that's on the search button. That's fine then. On scroll, yes. I'm not sure if it will be good, hopefully. So it will display this way. Interesting. But it's always a little bit risky to do in this kind of market. Scrolling up, scrolling down, but people are getting used to these days. Yes. Yes, so hide search icon instead extra, I will call it. Scroll up, down will show hide the search bar. What do you think? Do you think it's a good idea to do that? So what it should now do is, so yeah, that's pretty much it actually. So that's nice. All right, so here we are actually. We have done everything. So I will leave you for today. We go to bed. I feel a bit sleepy and I wish you a beautiful day.